Say hello to Magnum, everyone. Hey, Magnum. Oh, look at her. She's talking. Him. He's talking. Sorry, guys. Him.
Here you go, Magnum. Come here. How's it going, bro?
All right, and yourself?
Your name was Curtis, huh? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm bad at names.
No, you're good.
Here you go, Magnum.
Magnum's getting himself some water. That is cool, man. She's so...
Yeah,
He. Magnum. What's up, Magnum? Cutest pup, you guys.
Right?
She... Magnum, what's up, Magnum? And we got these ones over here going crazy. Miracle and Pearl. What's going on, you guys? What's up? Calm down, you guys. Calm down. Look, and then you got her over there. You got her over there. She's talking. Him. He's talking. What's up, Miracle? Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up. And there comes Pearl. Getting water. She's being loud today. You guys are being loud today. Because you guys got a little friend over there. I would let you out, but you guys are too wild. Hey, boy.